Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we will fix restricted Facebook account. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Facebook app. After this, click on main profile and now click on three dots and click on account status. After this, click on restriction history and here you can see my account was 2 times restricted. I am clicking on second one, restrictions. So here you can see my account was restricted for 1 day. Click on request a review. Click on get started. So here you can see we need to fill captcha. So I am filling this. Click on next. And here Facebook asks for your phone number. My phone number is. So click on send login code. And see there Facebook sent a code. So code it 637866. Click on next. So here you can see Facebook removed my restriction from my account. So you can also use these steps to remove your restriction. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.